Dear students, congratulations in my class. Today I want to continue my discussion on subject called agreement. Today rule number 13. Here see the students after can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, had, better, would, rather, be to, be going to, have to, etc. We have to use V1. We have to use present form of verb. Example, I can swim in the river. Here, after can, we have to use swim, present form of verb. So, I can swim in the river. Another rule today, rule number 14. After can be, could be, may be, might be, we have to use V3. Here, can be, could be, may be, might be, and many more. And after that, after those, we have to use V3 or past participle form of verb. Here example, it can be done. Here can be plus V3 done. Do, did, done. Dear students, now rule number 15. Here after if we can use present indefinite tense. The sentence of present indefinite tense. And in another part of the sentence, we have to use subject plus shall or will or can or may or present indefinite tense plus present indefinite tense. So, example here, if you read attentively, here read present indefinite tense. So, we can use here subject plus may plus V1. Here, subject plus will plus V1, subject plus can plus V1. We can use many other things. So here the sentence, if you read attentively, you may pass or you will pass. Now rule number 16. After if we can use past indefinite tense, and in another part of the sentence we can use subject plus could, would or might, could or would or might plus V1. Here example, if he came here, I would go there. Here came past indefinite tense, so here would plus V1 would go, I would go there. And rule number 17 here, after if we can use past perfect tense. Here another part of the sentence will be subject plus could or might plus have plus V3. After could, would, might plus have plus V3. Here example, if he had come here, here had come here, past perfect tense. And in this question we see I would have gone there. Here would have plus V3. This is rule number 17. Okay dear students. Now rule number 18. We can use could plus V1. We can use could plus V1 after subject when we use could that or if only. Could that or if only. When we use could that or if only, we can use subject plus could plus V1. Here example, could that I could go there, or if only I could go there. Without could that we can use if only. If only I could go there. Here I could plus V1, I could go there. Now rule number 19. When list is used as conjunction, we can use subject plus should or might plus V1 after list. After list we can use subject plus should or might plus V1. Here example, he reads more lest he should fail in the exam. Here present indefinite tense, but here should plus V1. He reads more lest he should fail in the exam. Now rule number 20. Distance, unit number, unit length and unit quantity will be singular, and it takes singular verb, although it seems plural. You have to write here singular verb. For example, 30 miles is a long distance. Here 30 miles, although it seems plural, but it is singular and it takes singular verb. Here 30 miles is a long distance. Okay dear students, now notice rule number 21 here. After each, everyone, everybody, no one, none, nobody, anyone, anything. when we find it as a subject or when we find this in the subject, it takes singular noun and singular verb. Here, example, none of these name presents here. Here, none of these name, here none singular. So, S by S with verb here presents. So, none of these name presents here. Now, rule number 22. Here, while using of while. When while is used as a conjunction. When we will find while as a conjunction, we will find after while a subject and a verb. Then we have to use past continuous tense after while. And at the same time, we can realize that when while is used as a preposition, while is used as a preposition, we have to use verb 1 plus ing after that while. After while, we have to use directly verb plus ing. Here, example, I saw a snake while I was walking in the garden. Here, while, after while, we find subject and past continuous tense. So, was plus verb plus ing. Another example, I saw a snake while walking in the garden. Here, no subject we find. So, without subject, we have to use it as a preposition. So, while plus verb plus ing. So, I saw a snake while walking in the garden. Here, rule number 23. After it is high time or it is time, wish fancy, we have to use subject plus V2 or where. When we get it is time or it is high time or wish or fancy in a sentence, then we have to use subject plus V2 or where at the time of be verb. At the same time, we have to learn that after it is high time, it is time, we can also use 2 plus V1 infinitive. Here, example, it is high time, we stop corruption. Here, subject plus V2, we stopped. And another sentence, it is time to stop corruption. Here, to stop corruption. And rule number 24, after as if or as though, if we find as if or as though in a sentence, then we have to use here subject plus V2 or subject plus where at the time of be verb. Here, example, he talks as if he knew everything. Here, he knew. Past indefinite tense, he subject and knew V2. Here, he acts as if he were a hero. He acts as if he were a hero. Here, were be verb. Okay, dear students, you have to get by heart or you have to realize these 24 rules to learn the using of subject with verb, subject verb agreement. If you learn this accurately or if you learn this very attentively, of course you will be able to write correctly or use correctly in a sentence different types of verb with subject. So dear student, no more today, with best regards to you all. Goodbye.